Hi everyone, my name is Disha. I'm currently pursuing my third year PE at Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. And I would like to share my experience as an embedded systems intern at Emergy Information Technology, Bangalore. The duration of this internship was for about 5 weeks, and in the very first week, we had C programming fundamentals as our topic. Vikas sir was our mentor, and this first week was a very good opportunity for me to brush up and revisit the concepts of C programming. Although C programming is a very vast concept, our mentor managed to cover most of the concepts of C programming, that too in depth, clearing all our doubts no matter how simple it was. And to talk about the classes were very engaging and interactive, which made the sessions extra lively. And to talk about the succeeding weeks, week 2, 3, 4 and 5, these 4 weeks were of absolute productivity, I'd say, because I would learn a new concept every single day. In these 4 weeks, we were taught about the fundamentals of microcontroller, the peripheral programming, and the project integration, and finally the project testing. Rajani ma'am was our mentor for all these 4 weeks, and she would make the classes so interesting that I would just dive in to get my hands on coding soon after the live sessions or watch the recorded sessions. The teaching methodology, the pace of teaching, plus the interactive sessions made the classes very effective, because of which right from the installation of the software is required to implement the project up until the project integration, my dedication level was always at max. And the unit by unit implementation of the project made me understand each part of the project very clearly, which is important for any individual who is building a project. We also had the SHA workshops, which was just like a cherry on top of all these 5 weeks. There was definitely a lot to learn from these workshops. My major takeaways from these workshops were the job landscapes in the embedded systems market, the difference between an IT and a core job, and I also learned a lot about the resume building and interview prepping. All thanks goes to Jaykumar sir, who handled the SHA workshops. I really learned what industry readiness means from these workshops. To sum up my experience in a nutshell, I'd say earlier I was only able to perform few operations using C programming, but now I'm able to build a whole new application using C programming. So that definitely is a very good sign of exponential growth for me, I'd say. So all thanks goes to Team Emergy for making this happen. It was indeed a great opportunity for me, also a great journey of 5 weeks with Team Emergy.